With my recent talks about Metaverse, NFT projects are going parabolic in price with a bigger institution like Facebook, EA, Microsoft, and others setting their eyes on the Metaverse. There's no telling when these cryptocurrencies will reach its peak. I'm going to show you the best crypto and Metaverse projects that are currently in the best position for mass adoption and, of course, can skyrocket in value. Hi, my name is Don. Welcome to Peakdefi. Today I'm going to show you the top NFT Metaverse projects in the crypto space where you can see an incredible amount of potential, not just in market capitalization, but also in global adoption. And with this money flowing in the Metaverse, you can expect the realization of a fully immersive, digitalized world will soon become accessible for even the regular persons. Now more than ever, this is the right time to get in the wave of Metaverse project as more people become aware of the potential of a fully digitalized world where people can interact and have a life inside the digital space. This is like the internet in the 90s where tons of projects are being built and people are making tons of money investing in winning startups and companies. Just a quick reminder, this is not a financial advice. First up, let's define what is the Metaverse. Metaverse is a virtual universe that blends the aspect of digital technologies such as video conferencing, cryptocurrency, emails, social medias, and games. It's like having a life inside a digital universe where you can interact with people and take meaningful actions. Now, with cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, you can even earn a good amount of money by only participating in the metaverse. Take example, play to earn games like Axie Infinity or Decentralized. We are talking about metaverse companies competing in the global work demand. This is the really both exciting and insane. With almost everything in real life can happen in the metaverse, it's only a matter of time for the full realization of a virtual universe. The first project I like to talk about is Engine My Metaverse, also called MetaCity. So we have talked about Engine in our previous video, and with the recent development, this further solidifies Engine positions to be one of the leading projects in the NFT Metaverse. Engine MetaCity is the first free earn game in a crypto space where players can earn their own land and roleplay. It's inspired by Minecraft and runs GTA roleplay servers. If you are a gamer, I'm sure you are excited about that. It's still in the early stage of development, but you can play the Minecraft version of Engine, where you can bring in and out various NFTs in the Minecraft game. It's fully functional and you can also send NFTs found inside the Minecraft game to your Engine wallet. Currently, the MetaCity land plot is being listed where players can build whatever they want on the land plot of the city. Because it is in the engine, you can earn free NFTs inside the game and take it in your Engine wallet, make profit out of it, or simply add them in your collection. Engine is setting the real definition of metaverse by allowing cross gameplay mechanics where players can add and transfer items across different games as NFTs and use them as a playable items. So you can earn tokens by playing the Engine Minecraft and use it to purchase plot of lands. Be sure to set your eyes on the social media accounts for more updates. Of course, number 2 in our list is the Sandbox. Sandbox is a fully functioning virtual world that allows players to build and create their own items, which they can monetize by turning them into NFTs. Sandbox runs in the Ethereum blockchain and is currently one of the highest metaverse projects due its market capitalization of more than $1 billion. Players are incentivized to participate more in the game and community by allowing them to have actual ownership of the game assets. Aesthetic items made by the players are readily available for trading. Those for trading, empowering creators and artists in this metaverse. Using the Fox edit, users can easily create a design 3D assets and upload them to the game and sell them for a profit. It's literally a game changer for many creative people out there. Furthermore, Sandbox will now have a main hub where people can interact with each other and socialize with fellow players and creators. This solidifies Sandbox's position in creating an interactive digital world for its user. Another thing that is worth mentioning is celebrities and huge franchises such as Walking Dead have bought lands in the sandbox. Celebrities are also buying plots of lands in a sandbox, such as Snoop Dogg. Virtually, he will perform live concerts and interact and party with the fans. It's crazy, but it's more and more people adopt this digital world. We will see tons of artists and celebrities jumping on this hype. Ultra is the first entertainment platform providing a variety of games industry services, which are accessible through a single login. You can play games, watch live streams, buy, interact with your favorite influencers, and compete in tournaments or participate in contests. So if you're familiar with gaming distribution giants like Steam or Origin, you know they have the monopoly of the market and give limited ownerships to players. If you are a player, you are spending thousands of dollars every year for a digital copy of a game on your account with real ownership of the game. You can sell it, you can rent it to someone or share it with your friends. It's really absurd. But with Ultra, all contents that you buy, such as a game, virtual items, are on-chain digital goods which are truly your own. You are in control of your assets. If they are physical copies, these assets can be sold, traded, or given away to your friends within Ultra or outside of Ultra. Ultra is basically transforming games distribution by leveling the playing field for developers, players, streamers, and everyone in the ecosystem. Ultra's blockchain technology, its developer toolkit, allow game and applications developers to enhance their products with new features and mechanics that are impossible to archive without blockchain technology. Get ready for a stream of innovations and rewarding experiences you have never seen like these before. Ultra is the first entertainment platform designed from the ground up. Let third-party companies publish their entertainment apps and their services gain access to a wide audience of gamers. Ultra helps gamers discover new entertainment venues. They can instantly interact without going through a new service, account registration safely and effortlessly. It gives a chance for indie developers to be heard and promote their games to the public through blockchain technology. Ultra can revolutionize how the triple game industry is being distributed by giving the power to the community instead of the platforms. So Chili's is a blockchain project that focuses on sports and NFT creation. And if you haven't realized it yet, the sports industry is worth over $600 billion. And Chili's is one of the first projects that set their eyes on developing the sport industry through blockchain technology. Now they are positioning themselves in the metaverse. Chili's purchased land in Sandbox where they can host sports activities and events where people or millions of people can watch and participate in the metaverse. With Chili's, sports organizations can interact with their fans, monetize digital assets for the people inside the metaverse. Some organizations use fan tokens to give voting rights to their fans. Fans will be able to vote their teams, entrance songs, lineups, uniforms of their players, and more. So if you're familiar with FIFA games, you will definitely understand that there's so much hype around football games. EA releases the same FIFA game every year with very minor differences, yet sells billions of dollars in revenue. So last but definitely not the least in Sorare, yet another NFT game project, but with particular niche. This NFT project is about building a fantasy football team using NFT cards featuring your favorite players. Over 180 clubs are already in this project and waiting for players to be utilized. Players can use the cards they have bought to create a fantasy team, and each card represents a player. Based on your fantasy team performance, you get rewarded with points and have chance to get a new NFT card as a reward. Ubisoft has announced their partnership with Sorare to participate in this metaverse. This role allows Ubisoft to get a head start in identifying innovative ideas and assessing their potential before eventually integrating them into the company on a larger scale. And to give you an idea how much money is involved in this space, this particular card of Messi was sold for a whopping 7.9 Ethereum. As more projects develops in the metaverse, we are going to get closer to an actual Ready Player One type of universe. Always remember that where attention flows, energy follows. People will soon spend more of their time in the digital space rather than physical world. And then that happens. We'll see an explosion of possibilities in the metaverse. To some, it is crazy to spend thousands of dollars for a plot of land in the digital space, but if the digital space becomes much better and offers tons of opportunities compared to the real world, then the metaverse will revolutionize the world as we know it today. As always, a lot of these things hang on speculation, so it always pays to do your own research and invest into a project you truly believe in. What you think about the metaverse? Are we really going to have an amazing life in the digital space? What projects do you think will lead these developments? Share your comments below.